The following principal secretaries have been reassigned. Principal Secretary Major General Retired Gordon O. Kihalangwa now becomes the Principal Secretary in the State Department of Energy. Dr. Engineer Joseph K. Njoroge now becomes the Principal Secretary of the State Department for Transport. Mr. Solomon Kitungo now becomes the Principal Secretary of the State Department of Public Works. Mr. Nelson Marwa Sospita now becomes the Principal Secretary, State Department for Special Protection, Senior Citizens Affairs, and Special Programs. Ladies and gentlemen, those changes take effect immediately.